Now, where to start history? It's a very good beginning. It's a very good beginning. The starting point of history matters. The starting point of history matters. History is something which is having written records. ठीक है. Prehistory is something which is not having any written records. ठीक है. Now, examiner the history topic or the history subject, examiner expects you to have an understanding of prehistory and history. Historically, history is only 4,000 years old. History कितने साल पुराना है? 4,000. Written sources, जो भी written sources होता है ना, that is historical period. Sorry? हाँ. First we have 2000 BC. We have Indus Valley civilization. अभी 2000 AD. उससे पहले कुछ थे? हाँ? That is it a script? Is it any source is there? Written history? That is painting. Painting is different. What is that? Inscription is different. So history is just 4,000 years old. But man is 10 lakh year old. So does the examiner expect something with respect to prehistory also then? Should he expect or not? Yes or no? That's why there will be questions on prehistory. Of late they are asking questions on prehistory. Normally a normal aspirant, he'll start with Indus Valley civilization. Stone Age ऊपर देख लेता है, Paleolithic, Mesolithic, Neolithic, that's it. But what exactly happened in Paleolithic? What exactly happened in Mesolithic? कुछ भी नहीं हुआ. Only hunting gathering. Only hunting gathering. Tool shape से क्या फर्क पड़ता है? The way what we are doing is same. We have used Paleolithic में bigger tools, stone tools have been used. Mesolithic में small stone tools have been used. So it may be bigger tool or smaller tool. Ultimately they have to kill. They have to hunt. Is there any change with respect to hunting and gathering? No. There is a change in the type of the tools what have been used. But is there any change with respect to the lifestyle? No. Same hunting gathering. Then when was a very big change? A very big change occurred during Neolithic period. Neolithic is followed by purely Neolithic, is followed by Neolithic Chalcolithic. Neolithic Chalcolithic is followed by Chalcolithic. At this stage, Neolithic period is called as a revolution. It's called as a revolution. Why? Because Neolithic period, it marked a complete change in the way man led his life. Man started a settled life and man started practicing agriculture and domestication of animals. Man started practicing agriculture and domestication of animals. So he settled at a particular place. So if he is settling at a particular place, that led to the development of villages. Yes or no? So examiner is asking such sites, some Mesolithic sites, Neolithic sites. If you take this phase, Neolithic to Chalcolithic phase, this is around 7000 BC to 2000 BC. So the different sites of this period. Inamgaon, Mangadu, these two sites are mixed with the Chandrakedugad and Salihondam. And these are during the historical periods. This is the prehistorical periods. समझ में आ रहा है? So you don't find these details in your conventional textbooks. So here, first of all, first thing what I want to make it clear is what examiner is expecting from you people. क्या क्या पढ़ना चाहिए? So you cannot ignore the Stone Age sites. Developments with respect to the Stone Ages cannot be ignored. Can you? Not at all possible. Buddhism is one area which cannot be ignored. Stone Ages cannot be ignored. Yes or no? So, and one more, most important thing is you will not find these details in your NCERT books. That's the biggest problem. Even though you may find names somewhere.
Map only it is showing.
It's showing in map only. हो सकता है, हो सकता है. One second. So you are telling that it's showing in map only. But you can see the books here. Chandra Ketugar on the banks of river Ganga. ठीक है, is a center of trade and a political center. That was one of the option given there. Next is Mangadu. Inamgaon, Chalcolithic site in Maharashtra. Is it my creation or any textbook? Whatever it may be, I'll बाद में बताता हूँ क्या है, किधर है. Salihundam stupas. You don't find such things in your NCERT books. You don't find such things in your NCERT books. Chance ही नहीं है. So ultimately, Paleolithic, the Stone Age sites also cannot be neglected. वहां से भी क्वेश्चंस आने वाले हैं आपको. ठीक है.